Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, we are going to learn about GoModern memberships. So, if you have started your online business with GoModern, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here you can learn everything about GoModern membership. You can manage it and setting everything relevant to your business. So, let's get started. You have to first log in your GoModern account, then you will find this interface. Then you have to click on the membership. When you click on the membership, you can see that there is a menu named courses and another menu certificate. When you hover courses menu, you will find dashboard, product, offer, analytics, setting. So let's get started with dashboard. In the dashboard, we're right now in the dashboard, you can see the all update about your membership, like one option is in last 30 days, members in last 30 days, sales in last 30 days, and checkout in the last 30 days. Then here is the product section, from where you can add or manage your product. So if you want to add new product, you have to click on the create product button, and you can also import your product from Kajabi. So if you have already used Kajabi and you wanted to migrate your all product from Kajabi to GoModern, then you have to click on the import from Kajabi. Otherwise you have to click on the start from scratch. So I'm going to click on the start from scratch. Then you can see that there are 4 options that you can use: spread course, short courses to wild giveaway to membership. If you want to create short courses, then you have to click on the start wilding. Then marathon course, train and upskill your audience within your niche. If you want to create a marathon course, then you have to select marathon course. Then membership, natural and mentor your network. If you wanted to create a course for membership, then you have to click on the membership start wilding button. And finally, wild your own. If you wanted to add or create any custom product or custom course, then you have to click on the wilding your own. Wild a custom product that match your content. When you have decided about your course, then you have to select start wilding. For example, I want to build a custom product that match my content, or build your own product. So I'm going to click on the start wilding. Then we have to type the product name in here. What is the name of this product? For example, I am going to type demo product. Then click on the create product button. Then you can add more information about your product. For example, I'm going to click on the blank category. Here we can add product category, description. If you want to add any parent category, then we can add it from here. Then we have to add content of this product, and here is the visibility, like we can publish it instantly, make it draft, or make it locked for specific members, or make it drift. And then category thumbnails. Then finally click on the save. So I hope you understand how to add product from the memberships of your GoModern account or dashboard. Okay, so now we are going to learn more about offer. So click on the offers. Here you can create offers, also manage, edit, update your offers relevant to your courses. So I'm going to click on the create product, and here we have to write the offer title, then select product. Okay, then product type, is it free or recurring or one-time payment. Then we have to add price tags. Override, we can change the price tags from here. Then click on the create demo offer 1. Okay, click on the create, and from here you can add offer description, offer price, then pictured image. Then you can edit checkout option also from here. So you have to click on the checkout, wait a little bit time. Here we can update the checkout option of our details of our image size, poster size, logo size, extra contact information. We can add extra contact information in here. So we have learned about the offers, and I hope you can create offers by yourself. Then analytics. So click on the analytics. Here you can know about courses, course progress, assessment, members analytics, revenue analytics, and finally the settings of memberships. And from here you can set up site details. For example, click on the site details, then you can add title, then you can set up custom JS, custom CS, tracking code, branding logo of your website. Okay, also then go back, you can set up domain from here. Wait a little bit time to know more about, and you can set up your custom domain from here like .com domain. Okay, then go back again, permission, you can enable app, enable disable app from here, affiliate app, courses app, community app. I hope you understand everything relevant GoModern memberships, and now you can manage your GoModern membership. You can create product, courses, and also create offer for any specific product or courses, and you can learn about your membership business from analytics. Also you can set up domain, membership, brand, your site brand, logo, image, anything from the setting. So I hope you can draw everything by yourself without hiring any developer. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant GoModern, Kajabi, or website design development, even marketing, then you can contact with me.